The Last Cookie. In the heart of the whispering cinnamon hills, where the wind always smelled like warm sugar and laughter, there lived a boy named Pip. Pip was not just any boy. He was a little chef. He wore a puffy, flower-patterned apron that reached his toes and a chef's hat that kept slipping over his eyes. In his tiny kitchen, built from cookie tins and butter boxes, Pip baked with the moon's glow and the hum of honeybees. But Pip didn't cook for crowds. He baked for feelings. "Sad hearts need vanilla," he'd say, "and lonely thoughts, they like cinnamon." One rainy afternoon, when the sky was a soft, sleepy gray, Pip decided to bake cheer-up cookies. His little sister Lila had lost her favorite pebble, smooth, green, and shaped like a heart. She had been quiet all day. Pip stirred together oat flakes, whispers of orange peel, and a hug of honey. The kitchen filled with warmth like a soft blanket. Lila peeked in from the doorway. Pip gave her a smile, but said nothing. The cookies came out round and golden, like tiny suns that forgot to rise. There were exactly 7. They both sat on the floor, tasting one after another, until there was just one cookie left. Pip reached for it. His fingers paused. He looked at Lila. Her eyes still held a quiet cloud. The cookie felt warm in his palm. Inside, a small tug began. A thought whispered, "I want the last one, but maybe she needs it more." So Pip placed it gently into Lila's little hands. Her eyes grew round. Then she smiled, a soft, glowing smile that filled the room like sunshine returning. She broke the cookie in 2 and said, "Let's share the last sun." And they did. That day, Pip learned something secret, something not in any cookbook. The sweetest recipe of all is choosing to share the very last cookie. Dear little friend, can you remember a time when you gave something special to someone just to make them smile? How did that feel in your heart? The story ends here, but we'll meet again in new tales. Until then, keep being wonderfully you.